Hello, everyone. I'm Connor with Amelia Island Microgreens, and welcome to our booth. If you are joining us on TikTok or YouTube, welcome as well. I have a lot of exciting things to share with you all, so I hope you stick around for the very end. What are microgreens? Well, I'm glad you asked. If you're familiar with little alfalfa sprouts, then microgreens are just the stage right after. And unlike sprouts, microgreens use a little soil, either jute mat or coco coir. There are a few other alternatives, but those are the ones that we found work the best for us. And did I mention microgreens can be harvested in as little as 7 days? That means that in 1 week you have food. There's no weeding, no bugs. You don't have to worry about the weather because it's indoors. I don't know about you all, but being in Florida, the weather is so much different than other places. So gardening here is very difficult. And guess what? On top of all of that, microgreens are up to 40% more nutrient dense than the mature plant. These are just some of the many reasons why I started growing microgreens 10 years ago and why I've created a whole business out of it, because I've personally experienced that microgreens are like a medicine for me. They've helped me so much in my life that I've wanted to share this all with you. So once I cut my microgreens, will they grow back again? Unfortunately not. What you can do is you can give them to chickens, put them out in your garden and see if something grows back, or you can compost it. So what kind of kits do you have? Good question. We have our regular, deluxe, meow greens, Jurassic greens, and our superhero kit. And I'll go into each one individually. This is our regular kit. It's our original kit that we started with. It is 1 tray and 3 crops. For $15 more, we double that and we have our deluxe kit. So we have 2 trays and 6 crops in this one. The reason why we do that is so while you're eating your one, you can plant your next one, so you have that rotation, so you don't go 7 days without microgreens. We have our superhero kit, which has a smaller tray, and it has collards and broccoli in it. The reason why we have a smaller tray is so that kids who want to learn how to grow microgreens, or people with smaller places like RVs or boats, have the opportunity to grow microgreens as well. So it's the same principles as our regular and our deluxe. It's just a smaller size. This is our Meow Greens kit. I just made this label the other day and I'm super excited. We're going to be launching our newest version of our Meow Greens. We are changing to our green tray. We had a smaller tray and it's not nearly as great as this. So I'm super excited. It's the same tray as our superhero kit and it has our Meow Green seeds. And it comes with a free cat toy. If you are interested in learning more about Meow Greens, then please reach out to us, or we should have some videos up. Just go look on our YouTube or our Instagram page. They should be there. And I'm hoping to add more Meow Greens videos in the future. So if you have any questions, just please reach out to us. And last but not least, we have our Jurassic Greens kit. What are Jurassic Greens? Well, they are for your omnivorous reptiles. They are a great blend of a variety of different greens. And not only that, they are fresh. When you go to the store and say, get kale, it's been shipped who knows how long, sprayed with who knows what. And that's not good for us, but it's even worse for reptiles and small creatures that don't really have as much as we do to process all of that. So that's why I created Jurassic Greens, was because my bearded dragon I was having that whole challenge with my bearded dragon. If you would like to learn more about Jurassic Greens, I will be doing another video on that one specifically. I hope I was able to answer all your questions, and if not, please reach out to us. If you're at our booth, please ask us any questions you'd like. We're here to help, and we want to help you as best we can. If you're on Instagram or TikTok or somewhere online, then please just message us or contact us at our phone number. And as always, stay awesome.